Bernie Sanders walked out to a thunderous extended ovation as he took center stage on the opening night of the Democratic convention. Sanders thanked his supporters for starting a political movement.
I hope you take enormous pride in the historical accomplishments we have achieved.
With many of his supporters angry about leaked emails from Democratic Party leaders that seemed to show a bias in favor of Hillary Clinton, Sanders sought to heal the party rift. He urged his loyalists to support nominee-in-waiting Hillary Clinton.
I serve with her in the United States Senate and know her as a fierce advocate for the rights of children, for women, and for the disabled. Hillary Clinton will make an outstanding president, and I am proud to stand with her tonight.
Anger among Sanders supporters was also visible outside the Wells Fargo Center, where hundreds of demonstrators were confronted by police, resulting in several arrests. Sanders supporter Lisa Lavalley Evans remains upset about the email revelations.
The media's in on it. Everybody was in on it. They said we were crazy all along. Well, look who's crazy now.
But Sanders delegate Richard Cassidy from Vermont said Democrats will come together eventually because of Republican Donald Trump.
I think it'll be a very small group of Sanders supporters who don't vote for Hillary Clinton, because the alternative is just unpalatable. Who knows? If Trump wins, it might be the last election. You can't let that happen.
Among the opening night speakers was First Lady Michelle Obama, who also urged Democrats to support Clinton.
Don't let anyone ever tell you that this country isn't great, that somehow we need to make it great again, because this right now is the greatest country on earth.
Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren also revved up the crowd with a forceful attack on Republican Donald Trump.
When we turn on each other, rich guys like Trump can push through more tax breaks for themselves, and then we'll never have enough money to support our schools or rebuild our highways or invest in our kids' future.
Despite the focus on the Democratic convention, Trump and running mate Mike Pence rallied their supporters in Virginia on the heels of last week's Republican convention.
We're leading. We're actually leading in the polls.
Clinton and vice presidential running mate Tim Kaine will both address the Democratic convention later in the week. Jim Malone, VOA News, at the Democratic National Convention in Philadelphia.